Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. My name is Mehta and today we are going to have art and craft class. So, do you know which day or month is going on, or do you know what was the last month? So, to learn about different months, days, weeks, we have to learn about calendar first. So what exactly is a calendar? A calendar is basically a chart showing different months and days of a year.
There are yearly, monthly, weekly, and daily calendars. Do you know what is New Year? New Year is the time or day at which new calendar year begins. A year has 12 months, 52 weeks, and 365 days. The 12 months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. The months of January, March, May, July, August, October, and December have 31 days. The months of April, June, September, and November have 30 days. Do you know February is a special month? It has 28 or 29 days. Every 4 years, February has 29 days. That year is called leap year. In all, there are 365 days in a year and 366 days in a leap year.
So now year 2020 is going to end and year 2021 is coming. So we will make our calendar for the year 2021. Let's start making our calendar now.
For this activity, you will need some chart papers, few colors like blue, black, green, white, and orange, one glue stick, some crayons, one thread, one black color sketch pen, some colored A4 size paper, one punching machine, one scissor, one brush, some glue, one earbud, 12-month chart, and one calendar poster. January is the first month of the year. We celebrate Uttarayan on 14th January and Republic Day on 26th January. So today we will make kites for our January month calendar. First we will take 2 square cutouts and then we will paste them with the help of glue stick. After sticking, take black color sketch pen and draw one curvy line on kite and one straight line like this. Do the same thing on another kite also. Afterwards, make thread at the bottom of the kite. February is the shortest month of the year. In mid-February, spring season starts. It is the most pleasant season. Plants bear new leaves and flowers. So for February month calendar, we will draw a tree. Take brown color crayon and make trunk of the tree like this. And then dip your finger in green color and make dots like this to make your tree beautiful. Then take January and February month chart and stick them just like I am doing. March is the third month of the year. We celebrate Holi in March. It is a very colorful festival. So, we will make palm painting for March month calendar. Take brush and paint your left palm slowly. You can also take your parents' help. After you are done, put your hand on the paper and then lift it slowly. Do the same thing with the other hand also. April is the fourth month of the year. In April, our mini vacation ends after our exam and new session year begins. Take one engine cutout and two rectangular train coach cutouts. First, paste engine cutout with glue stick. Like this, and then two rectangular cutouts of coach. Like this. Now take black color sketch pen and join the engine and the train coaches. Now make wheels of the train coach and engine and make some smoke coming out of the engine. Then take March and April month chart and stick them. May is the hottest month of the year. People like to drink cold beverages and ice cream during this season. So for May month calendar, we will make ice cream cone. Take two cone cutouts and color them with brown crayon. And then stick them with glue stick. After sticking, take any color crayon and make ice cream. Like this. At the end, make cherry on top of the ice cream cone with red color crayon. June is the sixth month of the year. After 1 month of long relaxing vacation, our school reopens during this month. So we will make school bus for June month calendar. Take bus cutout and paste it with the help of glue stick. Make outline of the bus with black color sketch pen. Make 2 wheels of the bus and then draw 3 straight lines and 3 squares. They are the windows of the bus. And then write 9 kids on the bus. Now take May and June month chart and stick them.
The first 6 months of the year are done. Now we will continue the next 6 months of the year in our next session. Till then, take care. Bye.